In the world of investing, finding hidden gems is the key to unlocking substantial returns. Value funds, my friends, are like treasure hunters of the stock market. They seek out undervalued companies with strong growth potential, often trading at lower prices than their intrinsic worth. Think of it like this. You find a beautiful antique chair at a flea market, priced far below its true value because people don't recognize its worth. That's what value funds aim to do. Uncover those hidden treasures in the stock market. Now, why are value funds particularly relevant in 2024? After a period of market volatility, many fundamentally strong companies may be temporarily undervalued. This presents a golden opportunity for savvy investors to enter the market at attractive prices and potentially reap significant rewards in the long run. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Value funds, with their focus on long-term growth, can be your trusted companions on this exciting journey. Let's take a closer look at our first contender, the ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund. This fund has a keen eye for identifying undervalued companies with a strong track record and solid financials. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings (PE) ratio. It tells us how much investors are willing to pay for every rupee of a company's earnings. A lower PE ratio often suggests undervaluation. The ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund typically maintains a portfolio with a PE ratio lower than the market average, indicating a focus on value picks. Furthermore, this fund diversifies its investments across various sectors, reducing risk and enhancing potential returns. It typically holds significant positions in sectors like finance, healthcare, and consumer goods, which are known for their stability and growth prospects. Historically, the ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund has delivered impressive returns, outperforming the benchmark index over the long term. This consistent performance makes it an attractive option for value-conscious investors. Next up, we have the Tata Equity PE Fund, another strong contender in the value investing arena. This fund, as its name suggests, places a strong emphasis on the price-to-earnings (PE) ratio when selecting stocks. The fund managers meticulously analyze companies with low PE ratios, looking for hidden gems that the market may have overlooked. Their strategy involves identifying businesses with strong fundamentals, sustainable growth potential, and a track record of profitability, all available at attractive valuations. Sector-wise, the Tata Equity PE Fund maintains a diversified portfolio with a focus on sectors like financial services, information technology, and consumer discretionary. This balanced approach helps mitigate risk and capitalize on growth opportunities across different segments of the economy. In terms of historical performance, the Tata Equity PE Fund has consistently delivered competitive returns, showcasing its ability to navigate market fluctuations and identify undervalued companies poised for growth. Section 4. Analyzing Nippon India Value Fund. Our final contender, the Nippon India Value Fund, adopts a disciplined and research-driven approach to value investing. This fund focuses on identifying companies with strong underlying businesses, sustainable competitive advantages, and the potential for long-term value creation. The fund managers at Nippon India believe that investing in companies with a proven track record, strong management teams, and sound financial health is crucial for generating consistent returns over time. They seek companies that are temporarily undervalued by the market due to short-term factors or market sentiment. Sector allocation in the Nippon India Value Fund is typically spread across sectors like financial services, consumer goods, and healthcare, with a focus on identifying undervalued companies within these sectors. This diversification helps reduce risk and capture growth opportunities across different segments of the market. Historically, the Nippon India Value Fund has demonstrated its ability to deliver consistent returns by adhering to its value-oriented investment philosophy and rigorous research process. This makes it a compelling option for investors seeking long-term capital appreciation. Section 5. The verdict. Which fund takes the crown? Choosing the best value fund depends on your individual risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. All three funds discussed, ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund, Tata Equity PE Fund, and Nippon India Value Fund, have their own strengths and have demonstrated their ability to generate returns by investing in undervalued companies. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, compare the fund's investment strategies, expense ratios, and historical performance, and consult with a financial advisor to determine which fund aligns best with your specific needs and circumstances. Remember, investing is a personalized journey, and what works best for one investor may not be suitable for another. The key is to make informed decisions based on your unique financial goals and risk appetite. Section 6. Bonus time. Your financial journey starts now. Congratulations on making it this far. Your commitment to learning about value funds and making informed investment decisions is commendable. We believe that knowledge is power, and we want to empower you with the tools you need to succeed on your financial journey. That's why we're offering a special bonus to all our dedicated readers who have stayed with us till the very end. Are you ready to unlock your financial potential and take control of your financial future? Section 7. Claim your rewards. 10. Free financial calculators. Await. We're thrilled to offer you a set of 10 powerful financial calculators, absolutely free. These calculators are designed to simplify complex financial concepts and help you make informed decisions about your investments, loans, savings, and more. Here's how to claim your reward. 1. Take a screenshot of this page, showing that you've read till the end. 2. Send the screenshot to us on WhatsApp at WhatsApp number. 3. That's it. We'll send you a link to download your 10 free financial calculators. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to equip yourself with the tools you need to achieve your financial goals. Claim your free calculators today and embark on your journey to financial freedom.